For an easy, cheap, chemical-free Goo Gone alternative, you just need 2 simple ingredients you probably already have in your house. The recipe called for 2 tablespoons of oil and 3 tablespoons of baking soda, but I didn't want to make that much, so I just did 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1.5 tablespoons of baking soda. And I already made some, so I don't want to make more. You want to put it in a resealable container because you can, like, it doesn't dry out or anything after you make it, but make sure it's resealable so you can continue using it. Once you have your 2 ingredients in there, you just mix it up. And then you put some of your goo on the item you're cleaning and just use some elbow grease and get it all rubbed onto the sticky surfaces. You could probably also use a sponge or some sort of dish scrubby thing to help make this easier. Okay, so I got all of our mixture rubbed on there and all of the sticky adhesive off. After rinsing it, all the adhesive is gone. Since you did use oil on it, you will need to do a wash with some soap and water just to get that grease off of there. But that is all you have to do for a quick, cheap, chemical-free Goo Gone.